Welcome 7th standard students. Today we are going to start chapter 18 perimeter and area exercise 18.3. In this exercise we will discuss about the circle. So we know that a round closed figure is called a circle. Circle has one center point. A line which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. Okay, and half of the diameter is called radius. So here small d stand for diameter and small r stand for radius. Already we done in our lower classes. So what is the formula of diameter? Double of radius. This is half radius, r plus r, double of the radius. And what is the formula of radius? Half of the diameter, d over 2. Okay, now today we learn a perimeter of a circle. A perimeter of a circle, the distance around the edge of the circle is called the circumference of the circle. Perimeter of the circle is also called the circumference of the circle. So what is the formula? 2 pi r. This is called a pi. This sign is called a pi. Pi. And what is the value of this sign is 22 over 7. Clear? Value of pi is 22 over 7. And next formula is area of circle. Area of circle we denote with capital A, that is pi r square. Okay? Pi value is 22 over 7. R is radius. Okay? Now move to the next formula, area of a ring. If this type of two circles are given to you, one small circle and one big circle is given to you, then their area is equal to capital R square minus small r square. Now what is the meaning of capital R? Radius of external radius and small r for internal radius. This is the small r, and if we take both circles radius together, then it is capital R. Clear? Now next is area of a parallelogram. Here we take only the formula. I am not going to explain this because we are not having any question regarding this in our exercise, but we having a question in example. Okay, so go through also the examples. So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Question number 1. In question number 1, they said find the diameter and area if circumference is given to you, that is 220 is given to you. 220. Okay. So first we put the formula of circumferences, that is 2 pi r is equal to 220 meter. So put the value of pi 22 over 7 into r is equal to 220. So first we have to find the value of r. So 2 and 22 over 7 move other side. So it become 220 multiply 7 over 22 into 2. So after cutting, 22 tens are 220. So 70 over 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. So 7 fives are 35. So we get radius is equal to 35. Okay. Now first part, they said find the diameter. We know the formula of diameter, 2r. Okay. So put the value of r 35. So we get 70 meter. Diameter is 70 meter. Now second part is area. So what is the formula of area? Pi r square. Put the value of pi. What is r? 35. Put 35 2 times because r square is there. So after cutting, 7 fives are 35. So after multiply with 22, we get 110 into 35. So after multiply, we get 3850 meter square is our answer. Okay. So move to the question number 5. Okay. Radius ratio is given to you and they said find the ratio of their circumferences and ratio of their area. So let we consider that radius, circle radius, first circle radius is 5x and second circle radius is 7x. Okay. So first part, ratio of their circumferences. So what is the formula of circumferences? 2 pi r. So we will write in a fraction form 2 pi r1 and 2 pi r2 because two circles are there and two radius are there. So 2 pi r1 value is 5x, r2 value is 7x. Okay. So what are the same here? 2 pi same, so cut. X is same, so cut. So what we left? 5 over 7. So write in a ratio, 5:7 is our answer. Second, ratio of their area. What is the formula of area? Pi r square. So pi r1 square over pi r2 square. Okay, put the value of r, 5x square and 7x square. Now what is same here? Pi is same, so cut pi with pi. So solve the square, 25x square, 49x square. Now what is same? X square, same. So cut. So what we get? 25 over 49. So write in a ratio, 25:49. Now see the question number 7. In question number 7, one side of square is given to you 44 centimeter. That is given to you. And area of square is equal to circumference of a circle. That is given to you. And they said find the area of circle. Okay. So what is the area of a square? 4 into side. Okay. And circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So one side of square is given to you 44 centimeter. Put here 4 into 44 is equal to 2 into 22 over 7 into r. Here we put the value of pi. So now r is here and this statement will move other side. So denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. Okay, reciprocal on other side. 4 into 44 into 7 over 2 into 22. So after cutting, 22 2s are 44 and 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. So we get 2 2s are 4 into 7, 28 centimeter is our radius. Okay, r is with us. Now we simplified the area of a circle, that is pi r square. Pi is 22 over 7. So r is 28 2 times. So we write 2 times. 7 4s are 28. After cutting and multiply we get answer 2464 centimeter square is our answer. Okay. In rectangle sheet is given to you, those length and breadth is given to you 30 by 20. Okay. They said they cut one big circle from this sheet. From one rectangular sheet they cut one big circle. Okay. Then they said find the area of the remaining sheet. Which this remaining sheet, this one is the remaining sheet. They said find the area of the remaining sheet. Okay. So given is length of the rectangle 30 centimeter, breadth of the rectangle is 20 centimeter is given to you. Okay. Now if this is the breadth, then what is the diameter of the circle? See, this one and this one is same. So what is the diameter of the circle is also a 20 centimeter. Okay. So first we find the radius. Okay. What is the formula of radius? Diameter over 2. So what is diameter? 20. 20 over 2. So we get 10 centimeter is our radius. Okay. So area of the remaining sheet. Area of this sheet. After cutting, this one is left. So area of the remaining sheet is equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the circle. Okay. So area of the rectangle minus area of the circle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. And what is the area of a circle? Pi r square. Length is with you, breadth is with you. Put the value 30 into 20. Okay. And area pi 22/7. What is r with you? 10. 10 2 times. 10 into 10. Okay. So 600. 2200 over 7 by taking LCM. 4200 minus 2200 over 7. So we get 2000 over 7. After division we get 285.71 centimeter square. This is our answer. Like that we will solve our other question. Only 1 to 11 question is in our syllabus. Thank you.